Hello everyone, I'm Walt. Now I want to show you 3-in-1 Magnetizer boost. So why is there 3-in-1? Let me show you. First, it can be magnetizer. Now I show you if the bit pass through the booster. The bit have a magnetizer. Second, it can be the demagnetizer. If I use the booster, rub the bit with an other side of magnet to do like this. And the bit without a magnet. Third, it can be the bit holder. The screw will be more stable when you are working and more stability. And you cannot change the position. So this is the straight function. And also if the screwdriver pass through the boost, also have a magnet. And I rub it another side magnet. The screwdriver without the magnet now. We know there are so many boosters in the market similar to ours, but they are using the PP body, but we are using the nylon body. It makes our booster more quality, more better and more tough. And also other boosters are using the cheaper magnet, but we are using the neodymium magnet. Neodymium magnet is more strong than the magnet in the market. And also, we have the two choke points inside the boost. It can be located in the top of the bit, like this. It can be located in the top of the bit, in the head of the bit. It's more stable, so when you are working, it can be more stability. So this is our 3-in-1 magnet booster. If you are interested, please comment to us. Thank you.